we have 4 things going on here. We've got books that are written in Spanish and not Spanish. And of those, we're talking about fiction books or nonfiction books. So I think that's nice to use, make a table. So in a certain classroom, there are 80 books. So that means your total would be 80, of which 24 are fiction. Well, that means 24 are fiction. If I was to add up this number plus this number, it would give me a 24. Well, from that, if there's 24 here and there's a total of 80, 80 minus 24 is 56. So now I got 56, and we may need that, we may not, who knows. Of which 23 are written in Spanish. So that means if you total this column, you get 23. Same thing, if I total the non-Spanish, 80 minus 23 is 57. Okay, let's see what works here. How many of the fiction books are written in Spanish? How many? So we're trying to find this right there. Let's just call that X. You want to? That's what I'm trying to find. Let's look at clue 1. Of the fiction books, so I'm in this first row, there are 6 more that are not written in Spanish, that are written in Spanish. Well, I've got X written in Spanish, X of them. You got 6 more that are non-Spanish, that would be X plus 6. And we know that if you add up the Spanish plus the non-Spanish, it would have to give you 24. So you could solve that equation for X, and you would know how many Spanish fiction books there are. So clue 1 works. All right. So let me erase this. And let's see. Clue 2. Of the books written in Spanish, so now I'm in the first column, there are 5 more non-fiction than fiction. Well, there's X fiction, and there's 5 more non-fiction. That's X plus 5. And once again, X plus 5 would have to give me the total, which is 23. I could solve this for X, and that's what I need. So clue 1 and clue 2 both work independently. So that means your answer is D.